Hi viewers, welcome to another exciting video on our channel. Today, April 2023, we are traveling again through Colombo International Airport. Even though we have done review on this airport nearly 10 years back and last year, let's look at what's new in 2023 at the airport. Even though it's a small airport compared to Dubai or Singapore, it never disappointed us. It has all required amenities for a passenger. We are at the departure terminal of the airport and seems it's not quite busy today. We cleared the ticket and passport check and first security screening for baggage. You will find local banks, tour agencies and some local shops on the way to visitor hall. These are non-duty free though. Sorry. We are at the visitor hall. Visitors are not allowed beyond this point. Plenty of new shops and banks presence have been added, it seems, on the way to visitor hall. We cleared second security and time to look for our airline counter to drop packages and collect our boarding passes. You will find plenty of airline counters. Please look for your airline logo on the counter digital screen. We are at Air India counters as we travel on Air India today. Seems a bit busy, let's wait on the line.
Let's go. Yes. It's a priority line. No one is here.
There are around 50 counters at this airport on a long strip. Look for your airline counter. Certain airlines provide special counters for online check-in and membership counters.
We'll go. Yeah, we'll go. Yeah.
Time to go for immigration. You need to fill immigration form. You can either fill it physically here at the airport or SriLankan Immigration as a website. You can do it online before you arrive at the airport. We'll provide the link on the description of the video.
This is not working.
Immigration clearance area. Time to switch off camera. You will land on duty-free shops right after the immigration clearance. Seems there are few new shops open here. Let's explore them on a separate video. Once you pass your immigration clearance, and you need to find out what is your designated gate. Plenty of digital screens available in the airport to assist you locate your gates, and you can find out through your boarding pass as well. The gates R1 to R5 are located in the ground floor. You will be transferred to your flight through buses if you are traveling through these gates. Once you traverse through duty-free area, you will find a long walking path connecting all the rest of the gates at the airport. Look for your respective gate and airline.
Lotus Lounge. Huh? Come.
Thank you very much for watching this 2023 airport walkthrough. Please subscribe and support the channel.